Live in Fort Washington, Maryland? Need your AC repaired? Fast Emergency Service. 301-248-5566. Stay cool this summer with quick service, AC repair and installation. We are a licensed, bonded, and insured company. Financing is also available. 301-248-5566. What are you waiting for? Call now. 24-hour emergency service. 301-248-5566. Call and schedule an appointment today. We have a live technician on call 7 days a week. 301-248-5566. AC giving you problems? Don't hesitate to call. Free service call with repair or install. 24-hour emergency service. Financing available. 301-248-5566.